Open the You by Moen app by tapping the You by Moen icon. Upon launching the app, you'll be prompted to log in or create a new account. To create a new account, select Create Account. You'll then be prompted to enter some personal information, provide an email address, and create a password for the account. Once you create your account, you're now ready to link your shower to your account and app. To sync the controller to the smartphone app, first click Add Device to start the syncing process. Press and hold the up temperature arrow on your controller until a 6-digit code appears on the screen. You'll use this unique code to sync the controller to the app. Go to the Settings app on your phone and open the Wi-Fi section. Look for the Moen network that represents your controller and connect to it. Now go back to the You by Moen app and follow the directions that will walk you through the rest of the syncing process. Once you've named your shower, selected your home Wi-Fi network, and entered the Wi-Fi network's password, as well as entered the 6-digit code from the controller, the app will run through a 3-stage process to sync your controller with your user account. When the process is completed, you'll see the shower you just named and synced show up on the app screen. You're now ready to fully customize and remote start your shower right from your smartphone. You by Moen Shower, the digital shower valve with cloud-based controller and smartphone app. Moen. Buy it for looks, buy it for life.